All right, there's my other set of wings. And the same with this petal, you can use the selection tool. And then if you want it to be the same color as the other flowers, you use the eyedropper and then boom. As you can see, there's another path right here that shouldn't have been there. I can just delete that one. All right, let's move on to the curvature tool. So this is quite challenging if you're a first-time user of the curvature tool or any pen tool. To do this, you can click on the curvature tool option here. It looks like a pencil, but it has a curve icon. And the same thing with your pencil tool, you don't want the fill to be set to a different color. So what you want to do is maybe switch this so that the fill is nothing and then you have the stroke color. So with the curvature tool, you have to make sure that you are setting the points exactly to where it should land and the curve should land, and then you can adjust it later on. So let's do that. So we're going to start here, and then the next point will be here, and don't worry if it's not accurate. The next point will be here. So you notice that the path is curving correctly. And then here, the path is not curving correctly, but that's fine. We could correct that. And then I want it here. Oops, not there. Just above this intersection. Okay, so notice that now I'm off balance with my curve on the frosting. All I have to do is double click on this point and it will curve it correctly for me. So go halfway down, go up, halfway down, go up, and do exactly the same thing. Just double click on this, then halfway down, go up, go up, go up, and this one straight up here, down, and close. All right, the frosting is not exactly how I wanted it to be, so I'm going to repeat the process. So double click on this anchor point so that, okay, Control C, double click on it so that it's not going to be sloppy, and then double click on this one as well. If you see points that need to be adjusted or moved, you can just go over and click on it once, and then you can move the angle. And it looks like I did it right the first time. How about that? So the same thing, use the selection tool, and then if we were to change this to the same color as the handle here, all you have to do is switch this one, or use the eyedropper tool, and then boom. And there you have it. It's your curvature tool.